Hi guys, it's Baja and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you have landed here for the first time. This time we are trying to DIY rhinestone choker necklaces and a belt. This thing has taken over by storm on the internet because of Kim Kardashian. Obviously, she wore her real diamond $1 million choker necklace, but then we broke people have to come out with some idea to look bougie but on budget. So yeah, here it is, and if you guys are interested to see, then keep watching. We're first starting with the belt. I already had this corset belt, so I decided to spice it up because it was pretty simple. I have this lace. I'm gonna cut it on as per I require it. Now I'm just sewing ends and the center part of it so that it doesn't come off, also that I can remove it and wear the same thing in the future without the lace and make it also simple as well. I'm just going inside and pulling it out for about like 3 to 4 times. You can do the same thing on a very plain collar, or you can do the same thing in the sleeves or plain t-shirts. I think it would look really pretty. I'm just tying a knot over here so that the thread stays in place. Cutting the excess, and here we go. We did the same thing to the places that I've shown before, and voila, the belt is ready. This is very simple, and as you can see, it shines like real Swarovski crystals. Oh my god, we did a really good job. Moving on, now we are going to do a choker, and for that I've taken a silver lace. Only thing we need extra is going to be the lobster hook and a ring to tie it at the back. Now I'm going to cut it as per the length of my neck and the thickness I want. So I cut it 3 all different type of thicknesses. Now we are needing the hook and the ring to attach it at the back. I'm gonna take the thread inside the hook and then inside the lace. I'm not gonna pull it all, and take a knot at the back so that it secures into the side. Also passing it from the hook and now from the hook as well as the lace at the same time. I'm doing this for 2 times. At last, you know the drill, we're just tying a knot inside to secure it there forever. And one more knot and cutting the excess. I'm doing the same thing now with the ring, and here we go, we have a choker necklace. Picture of me which is coming, and that's a picture that has the real diamond. So we did a good job again. Moving on, now I have thought to do more blingy necklace, so I decided to put a silver ribbon down there. You can see the difference, it's really pretty. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to cut it out with the length of my neck and the thickness I want, and I'm going to sew it at the back just how we did in the previous one. Putting the hook just the same way, and here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you. Bye.